Making a delicious fried rice. In Myanmar, many people have fried rice for their breakfast because fried rice is delicious and full of nutrition. Some people have fried rice with white eggs or white peas. Some has only fried rice. It is easy and fast to prepare our breakfast. If you want to save money in the morning, find the leftover rice from yesterday and eat it. Today, I would like to tell how to make a delicious fried rice. After, prepare the ingredients such as soy sauce, oyster sauce, flour, and eggs or white pea, and then place the pan on the stove. Add a little wine to the pan. When the wine is hot, add the leftover rice or cold rice. Mix this about 5 to 10 minutes. Then add flour, soy sauce, and oyster sauce for taste. When almost done, add white pea. Then you can eat fried rice. If you like fried rice with white egg, you need to fry egg. Finally, you can eat a delicious fried rice for your breakfast and can save your money. If you follow all these steps, you will have a delicious fried rice for your breakfast.